Hey water warriors, ever cracked open a bottle of premium spring water only to wonder if it's just fancy tap with a side of microplastics? Or stared at your faucet, knowing it's pumping out a cocktail of chlorine, heavy metals, and who knows what else, but felt trapped by the hassle of traditional filtration? Buckle up, because this Dreo WF511 reverse osmosis water filter countertop just flipped the script on home hydration. This isn't your grandma's Brita. It's a sleek, 7-stage RO beast that's installation-free, smart as your phone, and built to deliver crystal clear, contaminant-crushing purity without turning your kitchen into a DIY disaster zone. As someone who's tested a dozen water filters, from pitcher basics to whole house monsters, I'm spilling the unfiltered truth. This countertop RO system isn't just a gadget. It's a lifestyle upgrade that pays for itself in health, savings, and sheer convenience. Let's dive deep into why the Dreo WF511 deserves a permanent spot on your counter, and why you should snag one before your next water bill or doctor's visit reminds you otherwise. Picture this. It's a hectic Tuesday evening. Kids are clamoring for snacks, you're juggling Zoom calls, and all you want is a glass of water that doesn't taste like pool chemicals. With the Dreo WF511, that's not a pipe dream. It's reality in under 5 minutes. No wrench-wielding plumbing nightmares here. Just plug it into any outlet, run a quick 2-flush cycle. Takes about 10 minutes total, and boom, you're in business. This installation-free design is a godsend for renters, apartment dwellers, or anyone who's ever cursed at a leaky undersink filter. At 15 inches tall and a compact footprint, it tucks neatly beside your coffee maker, blending into your kitchen aesthetic like it was born there. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Under the hood, this reverse osmosis water filtration powerhouse packs a 7-layer punch that would make any lab geek jealous. Let's break down the filtration magic, shall we? The heart of the Dreo WF511 is its ultrafine 0.0001 micrometers RO membrane, the gold standard in reverse osmosis water filters, certified by SGS to obliterate 99.99% of over 1,000 nasty contaminants. We're talking lead, fluoride, arsenic, PFAS, forever chemicals, bacteria, viruses, and even those sneaky dissolved solids that jack up your TDS levels. Independent tests show it slashes TDS by up to 95%, turning murky municipal water into something you'd swear came from an alpine stream. Layer 1 snags sediments and rust, 2 and 3 tackle chlorine and odors with activated carbon, 4 and 5 layer in scale inhibitors and more carbon for flavor finesse. 6 is the RO Boss filtering at the molecular level, and 7 polishes it with a post-carbon boost for that ultra-smooth mouthfeel. The result? Every pour is a sip of science-backed safety. No more guessing if your water's playing roulette with your thyroid or gut health. But purity alone doesn't cut it in 2025's eco-conscious world. Enter the Dreo WF511 sustainability swagger. A smart 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio that squeezes 3 parts pristine water for every 1 part waste. Way better than the thirsty 1-to-1 ratios in older RO systems. That means less guilt flushing down the drain and massive long-term savings. 1 full filter set, 1 RO plus 2 PPC cartridges, with an extra PPC included, tackles up to 1,050 gallons. That's equivalent to dodging 8,000 single-use plastic bottles over its lifespan. At a fraction of bottled water costs, we're looking at pennies per gallon. It's a wallet-friendly win that aligns with the zero-waste movement. And those food-grade PCTG pitchers and ABS tank? BPA-free, shatter-resistant, and rigorously tested to ensure no leaching. Peace of mind for parents pouring for picky toddlers or elders with sensitive systems. What really sets this countertop water filter pitcher apart is the brains. A real-time smart monitor that displays TDS readings at a glance, so you know your water's hitting that sub-50 ppm sweet spot for optimal health. It even tracks filter life with color-coded alerts, nudging you for replacements before quality dips. Auto-flushing keeps things fresh without manual babysitting. And the child lock? Genius for households with tiny hands that love pressing buttons. Operation is idiot-proof. Hit the one-touch dispense for instant flow, or grab a 60 ounces BPA-free pitcher for fridge storage or office runs. The dual pitcher setup is clutch. One fills while you sip from the other, ensuring zero downtime. Whether you're in a high-rise condo, a bustling home office, Or even glamping in an RV, it runs on standard 110V. This portable purifier follows your flow. Now, for the juicy benefits that make the Dreo WF511 a must-buy over cookie-cutter competitors like Aquasana or Berkey, Health Halo Boost. Beyond basic filtering, this 7-stage RO system neutralizes everyday threats like heavy metals and pesticides, potentially easing issues from fatigue to skin woes. Users report brighter energy and better-tasting brews. Coffee, tea, infusions, elevated to elite status. Cost-crushing efficiency. Forget $1,000 whole home installs or endless pitcher refills. At under $300 upfront and filters at $50 a pop, it amortizes in months, freeing cash for organic groceries instead of Aquafina hauls. Hassle-free harmony. No tools, no mess, no subscriptions forced down your throat. The 24/7 customer support squad. Real humans, not bots. Troubleshoots via chat or call, with a 30-day money-back guarantee that screams confidence. Ideal users? Health nuts obsessed with clean drinking water, eco-moms ditching plastics, busy pros needing quick kitchen upgrades, or travelers craving reliable hydration without sketchy hotel taps. If you're still lugging cases from Costco or ignoring those boil advisory alerts, this is your wake-up call. Of course, no product's perfect. The initial flush uses about a gallon, and at 0.5 GPM flow, it's not a fire hose, but who needs that for drinking? Filter swaps every 6 to 12 months add upkeep, but the app-free smart display makes it painless. Compared to pricier rivals, the Dreo WF511 shines in value, hitting 9.2/10 on my purity to price scale. Bottom line, in a world drowning in dirty water hype, the Dreo reverse osmosis water filter countertop WF511 stands tall as the effortless, effective antidote. It's not just filtering water. It's filtering out doubt, waste, and worry, one pure drop at a time. Ready to transform your tap into a trust fund for your taste buds? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and lock in your pure water paradise today. Your body and budget will thank you. Cheers to clarity. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.